Okay, last week we covered this slide, which is a balance sheet, and it's a basic business document that you need to become familiarized with, and you need to get some practice using it. Okay, and it's useful in your personal life, in your family life, and just about every business has a balance sheet. And the balance sheet is a snapshot of your net worth or a company's financial standing at a given moment in time, at the end of the week, at the end of the month, at the end of the year, or what have you. And it's fairly simple, but when I first saw this, I was totally flabbergasted. It has three components: assets, liabilities, and net worth. So what I want you to do here, and again, this is a case study, so don't write your name on it, okay? It's best if you use your own data because it'll be more informative for you. But it's supposed to be a case study, so put some fictitious name on it, okay? And write down your assets. I mean, assets are any thing that can be liquefied into cash in a relatively short period of time, let's say less than a year. So that will include, of course, cash, gold, jewelry, car, laptop, computer, maybe a house if you have a house, real estate, stocks, bonds. Things that you can liquefy into cash fairly quickly are considered short-term assets. And from that, you subtract your liabilities. And liabilities are anything that you owe, including student loans, credit card debt, car loan, mortgage loan, personal loan, things that you owe, okay? And when you take your assets in dollars, subtract your liabilities in dollars, and that'll give you your net worth. That means how much money you have right now, you would have right now, if you sold everything and paid off all your debts. Okay, so do that for your actual, and then do a pro forma projected balance sheet, which is the same process. But in this case, you may want to start with your net worth. You might say, well, at 10 years from now or 40 years from now, I would like to have a net worth of $1 million, which would be nice. And then you have to ask yourself, well, where are the assets for that going to come from? Okay, and what liabilities might you have 10 or 40 years from now? Okay, but the main thing here is to get some practice using the balance sheet, so you're familiar with it, you understand it, you know how to read it, you know how to analyze it, you can apply it, right, in your personal life, as a family, or in a company or work environment. That's the main thing, okay? The numbers are numbers are important too, but that's kind of secondary. Okay, next one. Next slide.